The incredible benefits of eating celery every day. Welcome to our video, The Incredible Benefits of Eating Celery Every Day. In this informative and eye-opening content, we delve into the amazing advantages that come with incorporating celery into your daily diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to improve your overall well-being, this is a video you definitely shouldn't miss. Did you know that celery is not just a crunchy and refreshing snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrients? Join us on this journey as we explore the multitude of ways celery can enhance your health. From promoting weight loss to boosting digestion, celery offers a wide range of benefits that may surprise you.
One of the most significant advantages of consuming celery is its potential to support heart health. Loaded with antioxidants and dietary fiber, this humble vegetable aids in lowering cholesterol levels and maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. We'll delve into the science behind this and provide you with fascinating insights. Furthermore, we'll uncover how celery's anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial for both preventing and managing chronic diseases. Learn about the unique compounds found in celery that work wonders in reducing inflammation, fighting oxidative stress, and supporting a stronger immune system. Celery also proves to be an excellent aid in digestion and gut health. We'll uncover the secret behind its natural fiber content and how it acts like a gentle scrubber for your digestive tract. You'll discover why incorporating celery into your meals can be an effective way to relieve constipation and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Join us as we explore these incredible benefits and much more. This video aims to be your ultimate guide to understanding the positive impact celery can have on your everyday life. Don't hesitate. Hit that play button and embark on a journey towards a healthier you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos on health, nutrition, and lifestyle. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the remarkable advantages of incorporating celery into our daily routines. Welcome. In today's video, we will be exploring the incredible benefits of eating celery every day. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that celery is an antioxidant-rich vegetable? It's true. Celery contains compounds that help protect our cells from damage, supporting a healthier body. Not only that, but celery is also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. From vitamin K to potassium, celery provides a nutritious boost to your daily diet. Furthermore, celery is incredibly hydrating. With its high water content, it can help keep you refreshed and moisturized throughout the day. But that's not all. Did you know that celery has natural diuretic properties? This means it can aid in reducing water retention and bloating, leading to a more comfortable you. If you're watching your weight, celery could be your best friend. With its low calorie and high fiber content, it helps you feel fuller for longer, making it a fantastic snack for weight management. Incredibly, celery may also contribute to better heart health. With its low calorie and high fiber content, it helps you feel fuller for longer, making it a fantastic snack for weight management. Incredibly, celery may also contribute to better heart health. Research suggests that certain compounds in celery can help lower cholesterol levels and even reduce blood pressure. And for those looking to improve digestion, celery can be a game changer. Its fiber content promotes a healthy gut, aiding in regular bowel movements and overall gut health. So, what are you waiting for? Incorporate celery into your daily routine and experience these incredible benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.